Oh, guess what? So a pig poked in my eye. You can't see it, but the zone gun is red and veiny looking. It's like almost the beginning of what's the damn movie? 28 Days. You know, when that bird pooped or got the piece of blood in the guy's eye? Yeah. That's what mine looked like. So, I need to go home and pray for me. Lord Jesus, don't let no zombies and stuff come up in my life. Lord, save my soul tonight. Oh. So, with that being said, I'm driving and I'm gonna get to the farm around 1 a.m. Dead and tired, but it's all good. Oh Lord, I've ate Subway tonight. I've gotten to where I hate Subway anymore. It's the same old crap all day long. They never have what you want. This is the second day I've asked for meatballs. How hard is it to have a freaking meatball ready? You know, I mean, come on, people. So I said, what the hell? No meatballs, what the hell? Ordered last night, ordered tonight, same situation. So, of course, I went to tuna, which I'm getting sick and tired of tuna. And, very simple, you know. I said I want lettuce, spinach, tomatoes. These dickheads, what do you want to call them, said, I'm sorry, we had no tomatoes. I was like, bitch, if I don't come over to that counter and hurt you, give me some damn tomatoes now. She's like, I'm sorry, I ain't got no tomatoes. Well, but you're lucky the Lord Jesus is holding my soul back. I'll take my hand and rip out your throat. But I had Lord Jesus on my side that night tonight, so it didn't happen. So I kind of said, all right, just give me the lettuce and spinach, throw some chipotle on it. This hoe tried to give me one little line, god dang, of chipotle sauce. I was like, no, ho, we ain't doing this tonight. You ain't got no meatballs, you ain't got no maters. I want some damn chipotle sauce. So I said, you keep squirting it, I'll tell you when to stop. So finally, this hoe finally got it right. Ugh, God almighty, oh lordy, you're lucky, you're lucky. So, if you goddamn look at Nashville's already backing up. Lord, I'm gonna just pull over to bed. See, y'all going in the morning. Anyways, well, y'all have a good night. Thanks for listening to me ramble. Same old junk. I'll try not to do it next time. So, thanks for all the likes. No, I made it funny. But I don't get no damn likes on there, hell. I like my own stuff. Screw y'all, I don't need those likes. But y'all need to go subscribe to my stuff. Anyways, well, I'll make a video in the morning. I wish I could see my eye. It's terrible and burning. Anyways, deuces.